Yo. Mess up the whole of my scream. Mess up the whole of my scream. It's one thing I hate is when my hair go in my face. Don't like it. Don't like it at all. I don't like when my hair go in my face. Blowing all over my face, but I like it. It's annoying. Hi.
Oh, you look beautiful.
Oh, thank you so much. Come here, come here. Come say hello to all my fans all over the world. Say hello.
She look beautiful. Hello.
Mwah, I love you.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
I can take picture.
Sure, you can take a picture.
I really love you.
Thank you so much.
Mira. I wanna look like you.
You want to look like me?
Yeah, when I feel
You're sexy already.
just like
Thank you so much. God bless you. Thank you so much. Ah? Ah? What you say? Oh. Yeah.
Ủa, nó đằng cầu à.
Ouch. It's a baby. I love you too, my loved ones. I love you too. Meow. Barry take over the whole entire house and she's acting really bad. Yeah. Yeah. You can't take the ear from the gun of my mouth. I'm hungry. I'm going to drink the coffee. I'll get back on the train. I finished getting what I gotta get. And I have to head home now because I have customers supposed to meet me. So I just came to pick up my stuff. Market. I know everybody love the glasses. But they love it and shit. Yo, it's like that, man. The Lord provide. He bless my soul. The secret that I have, yes, been told. What I will tell you, I never sell my soul for collect no diamonds and no gold. Yo, man, you like my style, I will flash it. Ow. See my six pack, yo, I got it. My nails want to do, though. I ain't get the time, maybe tomorrow. I'm busy today. Busy today. Couldn't wear the jacket today, just too hot, I'm sorry. And the water boot, just too stink. I couldn't do it today. In the sun hot. When I start to sweat, it gonna stink. And the train, like the homeless people, couldn't do it today. Sometimes Barry try to kick it out of the way, don't move. It's coffee. It's coffee, darling. What do you need? It's coffee. It's coffee, honey. Hello, darling. How you guys doing today? Fabulous. I say fabulous. 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 It's a beautiful day. It's a wonderful day. It's a beautiful day. How you doing? How are you? How are you? It's a beautiful day today. Hello. Hello. Hello? They hate me when I'm drinking coffee. For what? It's just coffee, honey. This is the day look. The other air and stuff is a night look when I come inside and talk to you guys. That's the one I put on at night. So the day look. I'm going to the market. Yeah, man. How are you doing? What are you doing over here? All right. Big up yourself, mama. Damn, I threw down too much. Went out of my damn jacket. I had to slow down. I throw this thing in. I'm not home, you know. Throw it right in my gut. Damn, no worry. I went down too fast and I rang pallet. I dropped my wrong tool. Hello. He dropped on the wrong tool, baby. Damn, the suit is getting hot, man. Like I'm going to get married today. I want to get married today, man. And this one a spell flower. What is something you could sit feet, you know? I must bagel and cream cheese. I just want to buy it to get me up on the train now. Last time the cake never baked to me. I don't care about cake because it's not look rotten, look like a bug living night. This looks up. I don't know something, a bug night or a bug night? A bug? A raisin bake is something that's a raisin night. A little bit of raisin on it. Kind of hard for me to sit there again. The flour. You get used to eat the food flour. I used to eat the good stuff. It cannot taste bad, man. You eat this. Really hungry, I want to eat it. You know, taste the same like I come used to eat it. I can't eat this one. I waste my dollar by it. I can't eat this. I can't eat this myself. I buy it myself. I can't even say a poison. Regular flour with cream cheese and sit and bake up. I still love bagel and cream cheese, but not anymore. That shit that tastes like pies. When you stop eating the pies in your body, it tastes your mouth, it tastes the bitterness and all them shit, the bitter and shit. Can't do it. But I'm going to cut up and cucumber, eat the cucumber and sit. We go sit for it. Can't go cook. Can't go cook, no problem. I'm going to have fresh chicken breast and then kill one chicken and take out the two breasts. Otherwise, we have sardine and sit there. We can cook up real quick. Banana and sardine and something. Still have salt mackerel, let me want and boil out and sit, you know. Then I have brown rice, I have quinoa, I have peas, I have all kind of stuff. I don't feel stuff out. I can't eat, so I waste my dollar and buy it, but when you're out of that, you're just out of that. You don't eat the same no more, I can't do it. It's nasty. Alright, what's going on here? I'm going to head to the subway. I'm walking down now. Everybody says stop me and I look. Hi darling, you like it? Everybody says stop and I look. So Lord, that's the old since the old blouse. What is? One time with the blouse, I don't like it. I'm not shopping in Brooklyn, so it doesn't matter. I flat push avenue, I have two look up sitting with the white man them. Then buy them and put them at the store like we have at Jamaica Avenue. You can go right to Jamaica Avenue with them cheaper. And the white man in my flatbush. And I want to forget my name. I have no freaking manners. I have no manners, you know. I have the black girls I'm working and treat them like dog when he talking to them. Like a dog I talk to. I make them at the store. I'm for sale other black people and ramp up the price high. My buy one frack then could have give me frack for $30. I $80 I pay for frack. Long time I buy the frack. I stop by down there. Come I get to realize. You know. I want for me that woman there laugh for 5 minutes. She don't laugh for fancy. She don't get a show today. She know what kind of Satan spit her out here today. Yeah, so. I'm walking down. Getting on the train. Yes, I love you. I love you too. Big up yourself, London. I love you. I love you very much. Thank you. All you bless your home today. God bless you and your family. Big up Toronto. I love you, Toronto. Jamaica, my hometown. I love you as well. Yes. Guyana, big up yourself. St. Thomas. Trinidad and Tobago and all them places. Big up yourself. You know what I mean? Brooklyn, New York, Queens, New Jersey, Manhattan, and all them places there. You see? Big up on yourself in Florida, all the way in Florida, all over Florida. Big up Florida, let me say. In the house, Connecticut in the house, Africa in the house, Puerto Rico in the house, Dominican Republic in the house. And I big up on the goddamn self. And I'm in the city right now. And maybe I should make some trouble before I go. I'm not sure if I could do that. I'm very good at that sometime. Here goes the mountain. There goes. Steak, seafood, and chicken and pasta. See? Steak, seafood, and chicken and pasta. Yes, sir. Hi. Hello. Hi. You walks like a woman. I wonder why the woman called you don't answer because you're a woman yourself. You know. Yeah. I'm still looking around before I get on the train. The best I should start jumping and yelling, but no. I'm looking for a date right now. Hi. How you doing, officer? Are you single? Yeah. You're not single? Because I could share you with your wife. Why you don't do that? There's nothing wrong with that. I like you. I like your handcuff. I think it's very sexy. All right, God bless you too. I'll make some more trouble. Wait. Hi, Indian. Wait. Oh, this damn here is blinding me. God damn. Hi, handsome. You look like the old-time American Indians. How you doing? See the Lord, my nigga. How you doing? Oh, God, the devil got you real bad. Shit, you gotta cover my eyes. Honey, why you look at me like that? I ain't sucking your dick with you. Fuck. She looking at me like she wanna kill me. I ain't sucking your dick with you, bitch. Fuck. You see this white girl? She look at me like she wanna kill me because of my clothes. Who dare her? Man, I wanna be holy to the Lord today, child. Don't even start me up. I'm telling you. Hi. Hi, handsome. I'm looking for a boyfriend. Come on, come talk to me. Hi. Hello. Hi. Hello. I love you. Come on. I love you. Don't do that. I love you. I'm going with you today. I don't care. I love you. I saw him. Let us know you to want for me. Hi, baby. Hi, darling. Turn around. Talk to me. Hello. Hello, darling. He's not even answering me. Hi, darling. I love you. Speak. I know, right? Hi. I love you. Talk to me. Hi, I love you. The whole world is watching you. The whole world is watching you. I just prank you. I'm gonna say. Prank you. Look up yourself. God damn it. That was a lot. Oh, yes, she is. One child, I tell you. She's running like a bitch. It's good greens. Yes, this is good greens. Everybody line up for that green. They frying something. Smelling good. Whatever frying. Smelling real good. Pick up here. The little places and then it's all kind of little things. Unless you look up there, you can see the sugar on top. Diamond sugar. Right there. Yeah. Right there. The killer is right there. Waiting for you like a damn gun. God bless you. I'm going. Oh yes, today. Hi, beautiful. Hi. I just want to stop you guys to interview. Would you mind? The whole world is watching you. Say hi. The whole world is watching you. You're beautiful, you guys. Where are you going? You know you look like a beautiful modern Tara Banks. Goddamn it. You look good, girl, and you look good. That's your girlfriend. Yeah. That's your friend. Yeah. Well, you look good too. You know. I like that shit like Cardi B. You look like damn Cardi B. You got that shit rocking, man. We love you. God bless you. Have a blessed day. All right, we're gonna move on again. See, let me get in the train. I gotta go. What is selling over here? What is selling over here? Some kind of oh shit! I almost fell over the damn thing. You was gonna catch me, white boy? You was gonna catch me? You ain't look like at me at all. God damn it! I'm gonna go across. I'm gonna go across because I need to get home. I don't want to be late for my appointment. I gotta make money. But I'm gonna come back and do lots of this when I get time. I'm in the city and it's the city. Your dress is beautiful. Look fabulous. God bless you. Thank you so much. Yeah. Hello, darling. Your red skirt look beautiful.
Thank you.
You look gorgeous. Are you married?
Yes.
Thank God you are. Pray to God to keep your husband close to you. And God bless you. All right. Next one. Anybody else? How you doing?
How you doing?
Can I interview you? It's gonna make you sell all your food off. Anyway, what do you sell here?
Okay, so we're Raclette. We're a French restaurant. We have our potatoes, which is a Suisse. We have it's roasted potatoes with the slider cheese on top with cornichons, per onions, and a charcuterie. And then we also have a Mediterranean, which is the roasted asparagus, roasted tomatoes with the bread and the cheese on top.
How much does it cost?
For the Savoyards is $7, Mediterranean is $9, and the Suisse
So like
is $12.
this one is how much?
$12.
$12. Not bad at all. It must have been really good. But I want to just show the world what you're selling.
Yep.
And if you come over here at 34th Street, you can stop here and you can get some. Say hi to the
Hi,
world.
how you doing?
Everyone, pick up for yourself. I love you. God bless you. Have a big smile over there.
so much. Thank
God,
you.
God bless you too. And I will come and check you guys again next
course,
time.
of
And I will buy it and I will taste it.
Savoyard?
God bless you. And over here they're doing Mexican rice, I think.
Hello.
Is this a Mexican restaurant?
Indian now.
Indian restaurant. I just want to interview about your food here. What you sell is all vegetarian food,
I have some vegetables, some meat.
some meat, and so on. What's the cheapest dish you have here?
Cheapest dish is a vegetable dish, $11.
$11. God bless you and thank you. Next time I'm gonna come and check it out with you.
Yeah, sure.
So the whole
Thank
world
you.
is watching you. Say hi.
Hello.
Big up India. Everybody in India. Say hello to someone in India if you would like to.
Thank you.
All right. God bless you. Have a good one. You guys, hello, beautiful. How you guys doing? All right. As I'm going through again, I don't want to disturb people when they eat their food. I don't recognize some of the food, but I can't do that.
We can all stand around that table. Which one? That one. Oh, right there.
Technically,
Yours truly.
I'm not supposed to bring anything. But, you know. Hello, dog princess. She got a thing in her ear. She's not hearing me. Excuse me. I'm sorry. Hi, ma'am. I've seen a beautiful dress. Good afternoon. How are you? A beauty dress. The whole world is watching you. Your dress is beautiful. It fits you very well, and you're looking for food. Well, God bless you. Over there, they got like pizzas. I think it's pizzas. Hi, Dina. Good afternoon. Are these pizza slices?
It's like flatbread. It's
Like flatbread. How much is a slice?
It's 11.
So, yes, 11.97.
$11.97 a slice. Anything cheaper than that?
Maybe these little sandwiches.
How much are the small one?
560.
560. Okay, I'll come back. Thank you so much.
Okay, you're welcome.
All right. God bless you. You too. Yeah. All right. Oh, it's kind of hot down here, to be honest with you. Hi. Hi, beautiful. Are you a couple?
Yeah.
I want to interview you. You look beautiful. And your wife is gorgeous. Say hi to the world. Say hi to the world. Hi to the world. Where you from?
Argentina.
Where you from?
Argentina. Argentina.
I know you're traveling, right? You know how? Because she got some beautiful legs. She got that tan. Her legs is up. It's going. You can't let her go, buddy. Right now, you're going to hold on to her like a butterfly. Going through. Don't get her lost. You better suck on to her. She's beautiful. God bless you all. Keep loving your heart. Always be free. Have lots and lots of sex. And pray. God bless you.
Thank you.
Yeah. Hi, buddy. I like your glasses. Yeah, so I'm gonna go. Next time I'm gonna come back and we're gonna do more after this interview. Hi, guys. How you doing? And so on. Sorry, darling. So sorry, darling. And so on. I'm walking back up now. I'm gonna get in the subway. That was pointless. But like I tell you guys, I will come again. It's getting warm now. When it's getting warm like this, is my time to come out. And this is how the city is, guys. When you come to New York, in Manhattan, and that's how the city is. It gets very crowded at times, you know. Sometimes even more than this. But I'm gonna get ready to get on the train right now. I could interview that guy. I hate when people are speaking their ears and they gotta stop and take their headphone out. Sometimes they're ignorant. They're really ignorant. Yeah. I love you too. I love you too. God bless you. Hello, mister. How you doing? Can I interview you? Why are you sitting here? The weather? Yeah. Well, you ain't got no shoes, no slippers on. You like you on the beach? You like to cover your head with sun like you on the beach? Getting a tan, which is nice. Yes. Are you doing my love? Big up yourself. I love you. I love you. Yes. It's like you're getting a tan on the beach, chilling out. But God bless you, though. Live your life. Love your life. That's the most important thing. God bless you. All right? You too. You too. Man, you look like you're overworked. Are you overworked today? You look like you're overworked and you're tired. Oh, are you tired, sir?
Yeah, I'll go home now.
You'll go home now. Okay, when you go home, are your wife's going to make you some good food?
Yeah.
Thank God. God, pray to God. Thank God, right?
Thank
And
God.
have a blessed day.
Exactly.
All right. Okay. How you doing, sir? Are you doing good today? May I interview you, sir? May I interview you, sir?
Oh, no.
You don't want to interview? I can see that something is wrong. You're talking about some girl. Don't worry about no girl, man. You see, I worry about girls. May I tell her that? All right, love you. All right, you have too many girls, but that's the problem. Big up yourself. I'm going to go to the So I'm going to walk up here and I'll walk back, okay? Because I think I think I have to go. It's a movie theater. I think it's a movie theater right here. Is this a movie theater here, Donnie? Is this a movie theater? What is it? You don't know? He says, I don't know. Huh? All right, so I'm going to turn back and go on the train. So you guys have a blessed day. God bless you. Have a wonderful one. Why are you smoking a cigarette? You love it?
Because I'm stupid.
Huh? You're handsome, but you look a bit too young for me. You know that? You're handsome. Say hi to the world. You guys can be all over the world. Say hi to the world. No, I don't smoke cigarettes. I love you guys all over the world. People can see you. Have a blessed day, and it's only love. And enjoy the summer. It's a nice summer coming up. Thank God brings you such a long snow. And you're so handsome. Hallelujah. So God bless you and have a great day. You too, my love. God bless you. Thank you. Thank you very much. You're welcome. Follow me on Facebook. Olivet Facebook. Follow all over the world. All right. Hey, mama, your butt is so goddamn big. Hello. Trying to get on this girl's house before she gets. Hi, darling. Baby. Hello. Hi, Mama Sita. How you doing?
Oh, hello.
Say hello to the world.
Hi.
Your butt. The world is watching your butt, and you're walking.
My
and your butt
butt.
is so nice and beautiful. It's real. Is it real?
Yes, that's my butt.
Cardi B, this shit is real. Turn around, baby. Let me see the junk and the junk. That's right. You're looking good. That's right. Big up yourself. Much love. God bless you.
Thank you.
Have a wonderful summer. Do you have a boyfriend?
No, I don't.
You
I'm
gonna-
on the market.
You're on the market?
Yes, I
Oh my
am.
God, if you're on the market, just check me on Facebook, Olivet Smelly. You'll
Okay.
find one.
Thank
but get a
you.
big black one. Yeah. I love you. God bless you.
Thank you. You're beautiful.
Yeah, God bless you. So I'm gonna run right now. Next time, you guys, I'm gonna run. I have to go mix up the bleaching cream. Yeah, sorry. Next time I come back, I gotta go now. That's how it goes. After all, I still gotta go back to the same shit at the end of the day. Mixing. Oh well. Sorry, darling. That's okay, baby. That's okay, honey. I feel hot as a bitch in this jacket now, though. But it looks good. And people really want to talk to you. They talk to you more now when it's just right, you know. Other people look at you before like, please, I don't want to talk to that bitch. What now they do? Lovers, lovers, lovers. Yes. Ouch. I gotta get the and I'm at the subway right now. I love it too. Now I gotta get some token. Hi, I like your outfit. So fabulous. I catch you off guard and the whole world is watching you. Hi, good afternoon. I like your shoes. I like your skirt. Everything is beautiful. Where are you from?
Hong Kong.
Oh, Hong Kong? Big up Hong Kong. A lot of people like me from Hong Kong. A lot of people watch my videos in Hong Kong and they love it. So look, Hong Kong, she's beautiful. She got a black girl's ass. That shit is up, my nigga. Look at it. Up like that. So God bless you. Have a good one. Alrighty. Guys, I'm gonna have to go because to get on the train. Hello. So I'll get back to you shortly. Love you. Mwah.